Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. First of all, in this cheerful session of the 4th Borobudur International Symposium, allow me to thank for opportunity that has given to me to present the research with the title Effect of Pumice-based Nanosilica and Sodium Silicate Addition on Impact Strength of GFRP Composite. Let me introduce myself as a speaker. I am Willy Aksani Takwim from Mechanical Engineering Department Engineering Faculty 11 Maret University Surakarta, Indonesia. Okay, now we are going to move to the main presentation. The first session is an introduction. The background of this research is the abundant availability of pumice in Indonesia. This is due to the geographical location of Indonesia, which is in the Ring of Fire area. This geographical location causes Indonesia to become a country with high volcanic activity. The volcanic activity from the volcanoes is in Indonesia causes an abundance of mineral material deposit. One of them is a sedimentary rock in the form of pumice. The abundant availability of pumice can be used as an alternative raw material for making nanosilica particle to become a filler in the GFRP composite. GFRP composite or glass fiber reinforced polymer is a part of composite material that has a constituent structure in the form of glass fiber. The GFRP composite have been widely used in industry and transportation sector. One of constituent structure in GFRP composite is a glass fiber. The glass fiber is one of the most widely used type of reinforcement due to the consideration of its thermal properties, electrical insulation, sound absorption, corrosion resistant, and relatively low cost when compared to the carbon fiber. In the composite material structure, two types of glass fiber configuration are generally used. The first is chopped strand mat and the second is woven roughing mat. In several studies have proven that composite with unsaturated polyester resin composition reinforced with woven roughing mat glass fiber shows the good strength, whereas the composite with a chopped strand mat reinforcement has a good flexural strength. So that the combination of a chopped strand mat and woven roughing mat on glass fiber reinforced polymer composite material is considered to be able to create the best mechanical characteristic. The FRP composite material have flexibility in terms of modification to achieve a characteristic that suit the need. Modification of the FRP composite can be performed by adding a filler to the composite composition. The filler used in composite can be a nanofiller and viscose liquid filler. The addition of the filler in GFRP specimen was considered effective in improving the physical and mechanical properties. In this study, we use two types of filler. The first is nanofiller in the form of pumice-based nanosilica and viscose liquid filler in the form of sodium silicate. And then we are going to the next slide about material and method. In this study, the fabrication of the FRP composite uses a matrix of unsaturated polyester resin mixed with a pumice-based nanosilica filler and sodium silicate according to the concentration listed in the following table. As we can see, the following table displays the content of the GFRP composite. The first is the C40 composite, which is a composite without the use of filler. The second is a composite C41, which is a composite containing 10% pumice-based nanosilica without sodium silicate. The C42 composite is a composite containing a 7% pumice-based nanosilica and 3% sodium silicate. The C43 composite is a composite containing a 5% pumice-based nanosilica and 5% sodium silicate. The C44 composite is a composite containing 3% pumice-based nanosilica and 7% sodium silicate. And the last one is the C45 composite, which is a composite containing a 10% sodium silicate without the additional of pumice-based nanosilica. In the fabrication process of GFRP composite, a 3000 rpm stirring process was performed for 5 minutes to do the mixing process between matrix and filler. The catalyst was added just before pouring it into the mold. Glass fiber types of chopped strand mat and woven roughing mat are used in the arrangement as shown in the picture beside the table. The fabrication process was executed by the hand layup method followed by a press mold process which was performed at room temperature. After the process is complete, post curing is executed at 100 degrees Celsius for 60 minutes. After completion the fabrication process, the GFRP composite were prepared with dimension of length, width, and thickness, respectively 64, 13, and 3 mm. 7 pieces per variant for impact testing, which would be executed using the impact isot method. After that, the same observation process was carried out on samples that had gone through impact testing to analyze the structure of the GFRP composite. The next slide is a result and discussion about an impact test. The chart shown below is the result of the IZOT impact testing on GFRP composite. As we can see, from the scope of field sample, C41 composite, which only filled with pumice-based nanosilica filler without using sodium silicate, has the highest absorption energy and impact strength among the other. The results are caused by a combination of the use of woven roughing mat and nanoparticle and chopped strand mat in the GFRP composite that causes a strong bond between matrix and reinforcement material. The use of nanosilica size filler is considered to be able to affect the morphology of the polymer and increase the toughness of a material due to the crack deviation process. From the following chart, it can be seen that C44 composite with containing 3% of nanosilica and 7% sodium silicate has a better strength than C43 composite, which containing a 5% nanosilica and 5% sodium silicate. This phenomenon is due to the role of sodium silicate in the distribution of homogeneous particles, which can help to minimize porosity. The C43 composite has the lowest impact strength if compared to the other composite. The addition of nanosilica particle and sodium silicate with the same composition ratio can reduce strength of the composite by reducing the bond strength due to a powder agglomeration. Okay, let's move on to the result of SEM observation. As we can see, the following images are the result of GFRP composite scanning electron microscope observation that have been gone through impact testing. From the result of SEM observation that have been done, sample without a filler or a C40 composite have shows a fairly good interfacial bond between the fiber and the unsaturated polyester resin. The composite C41 shows a good interfacial bond between a glass fiber, matrix, and filler. This is in line with the result of the impact test that C41 has the best impact strength among the other field specimens. The composite C43 has a lowest impact result among the other specimens. As we can see at this picture, it has been observed that in C43 composite, there are areas of filler agglomeration that cause a decrease in the impact strength on specimen. In C42 and C45 composite, the distribution of the composition looks poor, causing a lot of void which led in a decrease in the ability to withstand impact load. Okay, the last part of this presentation is a conclusion about the research. From the research that have been done, it can be concluded that the impact test results show that the specimen with nanosilica filler without an additional of sodium silicate have a better impact strength than the other field specimen. This is because the combination of the use of woven glass fiber, nanoparticle, and substrate mat in the GFRP composition causes a strong bond between the matrix material and the reinforcing material. A low impact strength is in the composite which has a composition with the same concentration of nanosilica particle and sodium silicate. This phenomenon occurs due to agglomeration of the filler used and poor interfacial bonding. These data are supported by a scanning electron microscope observation, which show that the composite filled with pumice-based nanosilica have a good interfacial bonding. The composite with the same concentration of nanosilica and sodium silicate show accumulated filler agglomeration. From the result that have been obtained, the composite containing fire-resistant filler in the form of pumice-based nanosilica particle is considered to be able to maintain mechanical properties in the form of impact strength compared to the other filled GFRP composite material. Well, ladies and gentlemen, that's what we can share with you about the result of our study about an effect of pumice-based nanosilica and sodium silicate addition on impact strength of GFRP composite. I hope this research can be useful for us. Thank you for paying attention to this presentation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.